Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. As you know, I went on a trip to London and we're gonna unbox everything that I got. I went to the Hermes store in Knightsbridge because we heard that you could get bags there. We didn't end up getting any bags, but I did find some really good stuff. For example, this scarf. There's so much detail on this and the color is really stunning. It's got fun little animals. It's very whimsical and very me. Up next, I have something really small. I've been wanting one of these forever, and I finally found the one I wanted there, so I was super excited. The Hermes Moor scarf ring. I have been dying for one of these. I love this design in particular because it looks like a horse bit, and as you guys know, I'm a horse girl, so I thought this was perfect for me. There's so many ways that you can style scarves with these, so I guess I'll have one in an outfit video soon. Up next, I have something super special from the men's department. My fiance is so sweet and always gets me like the nicest, sweetest gifts, so I of course had to pick something up for him. I got him these Oran sandals. They're absolutely gorgeous. They have like a navy blue bottom and the nata top. It's gorgeous. These are gonna look so fire on my little Pookie. Up next, I have the most insane boots. I saw them and it was love at first sight. I couldn't fit the box in my suitcase, as you know, it was overflowing, and I literally already bought like an extra large chunk from Rimowa to fit all of our purchases in there. So these beauties are the suede riding boots from Hermes. They're absolutely stunning, and I fell in love with them the most because they match my hair, so it's super cute. Up next, from one of my favorite places of all time is Fortnum & Mason. I got a few tea strainers. So this one is super cute. It's sterling silver, I think plated, and this one, which is gold plated. Up next, I got milk and dark chocolate, rose and violet chocolates for my sister. I also got one for me, and it's in my closet because I was snacking on it last night. For my dad, I got these dark chocolate cherry liqueurs. His patients used to always give these to him on the holidays, so they remind me of him, and I know he loves them. Here's another box of the milk and dark chocolate rose and violet candies. I do realize now that I ate out of one of these, and I need to figure out which one so that I don't give it to my sister. Up next, we have Bottega Veneta. I got this stunning jumper, as they call it in London. The sweetest little sweater, and I just think it's timeless. It has this really cute knot detail and stunning. So I'm super excited to wear this. And up next, of course, we couldn't leave a good shopping trip without stopping at Chanel. These earrings are absolutely stunning. They go in the ear and attach on with a little clip. I thought these were so fun and decorative and just girly and exciting. Very different and something I haven't seen Chanel do before. So let's see if I can get this on. So pretty. Up next, I have the cutest little earrings. They have a little dangle to them. I like these because they're dainty. I also don't have a ton of white gold earrings, and these are stunning. So I'm really excited to wear them. As I said, I couldn't fit the boxes in my suitcase, and I actually bought these at the airport. So I was just carrying a shopping bag with all the dust bags. But these are absolutely stunning. They're the slingbacks with the little black toe, very classic Chanel, and they're tweed. So I'm super excited to wear these during spring or even winter. Stunning. When I tell you I absolutely lost it when I saw my next purchase in store, I literally could not breathe. I was so excited. And luckily they had my size. This was the one box I was actually able to fit in my suitcase. These boots are insane and they're so me. I literally feel like they designed it for me. I love the contour of the ankle with the calf bit, the platform, the pattern. I just feel like with a little black dress or anything, it'll just spice up any outfit. The zipper is also adorable. It's a little heart with a Chanel Double CC on it. So yeah, I can't wait to style these. And I saved the best for last. I'm super excited to show you guys this. My lovely, cutest little future stepdaughter and I saw this bag in store and she bought one. I was so in love with it, but Of course, like, I just wanted her to be happy, so she got the bag. But when we went to the airport Chanel, I was able to find this bag in store as well. So now we're gonna be twinning. I'm super, super excited. It's tweed, light pink. It has a bit of iridescence to it, and it's just so lovely and so prim and so girly. So I'm definitely so pumped. And overall, I'd say everything in this haul I was absolutely in love with, and I'm super thankful to have it. Stay tuned to see how I style it, and thanks for watching. See you later, guys. Bye!